Welcome back, folks. Have you ever wondered what's the big deal about abstract art? Why does abstract art even matter? Okay, so today let's look into the significance of abstract art in culture, society, and history. Firstly, let's unravel the cultural significance of abstract art. Abstract art transcends boundaries. It's a universal language that speaks directly to our emotions. It actually needs no translation, but in case you're asking yourself, what does it mean? I'm here to translate it for you so that going forward you can translate it on your own. Artists like Vasily Kandinsky believed in its power to evoke emotions without the need for recognizable forms. Abstract art challenges the norm, offering a more diverse and inclusive representation of human experience. It reflects the cultural spirit of our times, capturing both the unique and timeless qualities of our collective identity. Moving on to social significance, abstract art serves as a mirror to social changes and revolutions. During times of social upheaval, artists turn to abstraction to express the complexities of the human experience. Abstract art becomes a visual diary documenting the emotions, struggles, and triumphs of different eras. Through its abstract lens, art fosters critical thinking and dialogue, challenging viewers to think beyond the obvious. It becomes a catalyst for discussions on social norms and values. Now let's explore the historical significance of abstract art. Throughout the 20th century, abstract art has been a driving force in art movements. Mark Rothko, Jackson Pollock, and many others pushed the boundaries, influencing subsequent generations and shaping the trajectory of art history. Abstract art becomes a chronicle of the ever evolving narrative of human creativity. It goes beyond the canvas, capturing the essence of a moment and leaving an indelible mark on the history of art. As we conclude our exploration of why abstract art matters, remember it's not just about the paint on canvas. It's a reflection of the human spirit, an exploration of our shared experiences, and a testament to the power of human creativity. Thanks for joining me in this exploration of the significance of abstract art in culture, society, and history. In the next videos, we'll dive deeper into the elements of abstract art. Until then, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep appreciating the beauty of abstract art. I'll see you in the next one.